Hey guys, Tony here. Just wanted to really quickly update you guys on the FOREX EA. For those of you that are following me on TikTok and YouTube, I've been testing a FOREX EA that is built by a group that I'm part of. And so far, I've been testing it for the last 6 months, and it's worked out great. But I am testing it on a live account. Started with $978. And just kind of updating, on a frequent, like a bi-daily basis, to kind of update everybody on how much the EA is making per session. So in the morning, I don't think I actually released the video, but I did want to share that this EA for today has made $61.65, which is actually pretty insane. It's made almost, like a 5% return on the day by basically me doing nothing and just letting this run on my side. Since I started running this on Friday, it's made a total of $84.78. So keep in mind, this EA, I've only had it running since I think Friday afternoon I turned it on. And I think it started opening positions Friday afternoon or Friday morning, and then Sunday, and then today for the full day. So essentially, in about, I want to say maybe 2 full days, it's made about $84. So if we can kind of, I don't want to say this is the average because I don't think so. I think the first time it actually made about $20, and then with today it's made those $60, right? So that's why it ends up being 84. So every single day is different depending on how the markets move. But again, just wanted to update you guys. We did start the account at 978. It's currently at 1,062 after 2 days of trading and letting this kind of do whatever it does. Keep in mind that we are going to be testing this for 1 month out, and we're only on day 2. So I'm pretty excited at the results that it's netting right now. I'm not surprised because for the last 6 months, it's been doing a pretty solid return on the monthly. So, we'll keep running this. I'll keep updating you guys, and we'll kind of go from there. Have a great day, guys.